Alright.
We're here at Collin.
Guess what? This is gonna be your first Baxter and Sons freighter.
So we're on a freight elevator here at Collin Creek Mall.
This is the fourth freight elevator at Collin Creek Mall.
Hit the
Loading
call
deck
button.
number 5. It's a B&S. Door open.
It's coming.
Yep.
Let me look at it.
And this is the Baxter and Sons, so this will be Jason's first B&S freighter.
Let me look at those.
I think you're gonna like this one.
Tell me when it gets here.
It's approaching.
Leveling. Oh, you're gonna.
It has Corian doors.
Okay. Press the open button.
Welcome aboard.
Yeah, freight elevator number 4.
I'll close it.
I got it. All right, everyone in. Everyone in.
All right.
Doors closing.
Okay, let's listen to the motor.
Now you can go.
Here we go.
And
Here we go.
While we're up here, let me get a look at this panel real quick. This is just like my panel.
you want to know a fun fact? Older Baxter and Sons have orange labeling,
Yeah,
so
I have one of those, except it's got the.
circling.
All right, ready to go down?
Yep. Send it down.
Let's listen to it.
You have to hold it down until it starts moving. It's an old elevator.
Shopping carts in here.
Yep. Oh, we got a dead bug in the gate. Of course we do. You know, this is probably the only one in the mall that doesn't have Fanny written all over it. Because this one usually is controlled.
All right, press the door open button.
You can like let the door open. It'll open automatically.
Wow, this is a blue elevator shopping.
All right.
Someone please.
Doors
close the door.
closing.
This is a nice one.
It is. It's a shame its future unknown.
All right, that'll
Well,
be
actually, I
it.
believe this one's going